welcome to our house. I wanted to show you a few of our Christmas decorations we put up, and then we are going to do a little bit of cleaning. Today Ava's helping me out behind the camera, and we're going to get going. So come over here, Ava. All right, so this is our tree. You can kind of see where we have a lot of family ornaments that we've collected through the years. Oh, there's Ava. Get that one. That was her kindergarten picture. That's one of my favorite things about the tree is just all of our keepsake ornaments. When we get them out and look at them each year, it just brings back such great memories. Oh, there's Ava again. And then this year, I just kind of like a whimsical tree, so we added blue, some green, and red balls. We already had most of these, so we just tried to fill the tree. We're actually still need to get a star. The top of our tree is empty, so I need to get a star. And then over here we have our little ceramic tree. I believe I got this at Target. And then our glitter tree. The glitter tree is one of my favorite things. And then most of the things that we have used for decoration we've had for quite a while, so I need to do a little bit of a Christmas decor update, but I think I'm going to save that for next year. So for the meantime, this is what we have. So this guy, you can probably tell we've had him, I think before Ava was born, in our snowman. And then we don't have many candles here in the house. I love the battery operated candles. So these I actually ordered from Amazon, and you can just turn them on and off, which is great. And then this little guy I got from Target, the Target dollar spot.
And there's also...
Yep, we have another one. And then this is our Christmas village. So when we were in our old house, we had them all lit up. The shelves are a little bit different here in our new house. So I have to find a way to light this up without using a plug. So I think I'm going to try to find some battery operated lights to kind of string in through here. But this was just something fun that we had. I'm going to kind of show them all the buildings that we started when we had kids. And it's just something fun that we like to put up every year. And then we got the lighthouse and kind of the village square. And then on the couch, again, using stuff that we already had. I love blue, and we have a lot of blue decorations here in the house, so I just kept my blue blanket out. And these pillows I got last year. These are from Kohl's, and the reason I bought them is just because they're so soft and comfy. We all just sleep on them. You can tell they've been worn a little bit. And same over here. We've had these blankets for a while, so again, I'm going to be doing some updating on decor, but we're going to, I think, wait till next year and do something totally different. All right, then up here we have our Santa's Workshop sign. I believe we bought that from Kirkland's a few years ago. And some old nutcrackers. I need to add some greenery up there. I think I'm going to change it around, but not 100% sure. And then for right now, I just bought some poinsettias from Walmart and put them on our little turntable here. We are going to buy a Christmas runner, and we have some Christmas plates that we're getting ready to get out.
Is a lantern that we've had for a long time. I had it filled with pine cones for fall, and so I'm going to clean it out and fill it up with some ornaments. These are just some old ornaments that we had laying around, so I'm going to put them here in the lantern and then display the lantern either on a front table or in our front hallway. I can't decide. So after the Thanksgiving weekend, our refrigerator is dirty inside and out. So I'm going to give the outside a quick spray and then probably work on the inside tomorrow. I try to give these pendant lights a dust at least once a week. They tend to gather a lot of dust here in the kitchen. So I'm going to give those a quick clean. So it was just us for Thanksgiving this year. It snowed a lot, so we kind of enjoyed just sitting around, eating, watching a little TV, and of course watching the snow. And the kids loved going out, building snowmen, and of course sledding. So today I'm just tidying up, not doing any real deep cleaning. I'm going to save that for later this week.
Yes, every time the snow is falling down.
As always, we had lots of laundry to do, so I'm just going to fold the girls' laundry and they will put it away. It seems like in our house, laundry is a never-ending chore. With 3 kids, it just seems to pile up every single day. So what I typically do is I actually wash and dry the laundry, and then I will fold the clothes. I sometimes will recruit the kids to help me fold them, and then I have them hang them up or put them away in their drawers. So just going to wipe down the countertops and clean out the sink, and then I will almost be done. So this will be my first Christmas season on YouTube, and I am trying to decide if I should do the Vlogmas vlogs or Vlogmas videos. So let me know what you think in the comments. Would you be interested in some Vlogmas content? I hope you guys have a great week, and I really appreciate you watching these videos and supporting me. And please feel free to say something in the comments. I love to meet new people and get to know you better. And if you like these videos, please be sure to subscribe. Have a great week.